Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tutorials and Guides. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic, securing your Gmail account. If you caught our previous video on easy steps to create a Gmail account for beginners in 2024, you're in the right place to level up and ensure the security of your Gmail account. Your email is essentially a digital passport, and safeguarding it is paramount. So, let's jump into the measures you can take to strengthen your inbox against potential threats. But before we dive in, if you're new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you stay in the loop with our tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first line of defense for your Gmail account is a strong password. I know for ease people choose easy passwords like birthday or anniversary dates. Please avoid using easily guessable passwords and opt for a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. And hey, no password 123, okay? Let's keep it strong and unique. Now, it's somewhat challenging to create a password that meets all security aspects. Therefore, you can make use of an online password generator website. Open your web browser and enter lastpass.com. On the top left menu bar, click on Why LastPass, and then select Password Generator. On this page, click Use Password Generator or scroll down, and it will take you to multiple options for the password generator. Here, you can adjust the strength of the password, adding uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, etc. Copy the generated password and use it as your Gmail password. If you print or write it, make sure to safeguard it. Your email serves as a gateway for your financial transactions, so it's crucial to keep it secure. Now, let's talk about an extra layer of security, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Enabling 2FA adds an additional step to your login process, usually involving a code sent to your phone. It's like having a secret handshake for your email. Makes it much harder for unauthorized folks to get in. Let's get started. Log into your Gmail account and click on your profile image in a small round window at the top right corner of your dashboard. Then click Manage your Google account seen in the red rectangle. It will open Google Account Settings page. On the right hand you are seeing number of options. Click the fourth option, Security, seen in rectangle window. It will open Security page. On this page click two-step verification, and it will ask you to get started as seen in the video. Now after clicking Get Started you are going to be asked for your mobile number. Add your mobile number where you can easily receive text code for verification. You can also receive phone call as seen in the video. Then click Next once you receive text code on your mobile number. Enter the code and click Next now. It will ask you to turn on two-step authentication. Click Turn On. You have successfully turned on two-factor authentication. If you click on the voice and text message option, it will lead you to more choices such as backup codes, Google Prompts, Authenticator app, and the use of a security key. Now, if you go back, you will see options like Recovery Phone and Recovery Email. Adding these will enhance security, as you will be able to easily retrieve your forgotten Gmail account password. And there you have it, a quick guide on securing your Gmail account. Remember, your email is a gateway to many aspects of your digital life, so it's worth putting in the effort to keep it safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay secure online.